If you go to school to the 8th grade, who is the teacher? In our Amish school, anybody can volunteer to be a teacher. You don't need any higher education. Matter of fact, my own sister, right after she graduated 8th grade, 14 and a half years old, she volunteered to be a teacher. Okay, you can be a teacher. She was a teacher for about 5 years. And my buddy Jonai, my age, right after he graduated 8th grade, he also was a teacher at one of the Amish schools for 2 years. Now, I remember my sister, how happy she was and thought she was rich on $1,000 per year. That sounds like pocket change to us out here, right? Yeah, my Amish sister